Good morning, students. Welcome to all. Let me see the next portion of the lesson Haragallu. Okay, let me see. The Haragallu was an important feature in their lives, and as a child, I would often not understand why they blessed it so often for being there. After all, it was only a stone bench. It was my grandfather who told me, child, a Haragallu is essential in any journey. Here, we all carry our burdens according to our capacities and situations. But every once in a while, we need to stop, put down that burden and rest. Only then can we be refreshed enough to pick up the load once more. The Haragallu gives everyone that opportunity to do so. It helps people regain their strength. Here, Haragallu was an important feature in their lives and as a child. Here, for Sudhamurthy, Haragallu is an important feature when she was a child. Haragallu is an important feature for whom? Sudhamurthy when she was a child. Whenever she was remembering the memories of her childhood, she was thinking about Haragallu and banyan tree and grandfather. Here, after all, I would often not understand why they blessed it so often for being there. All people are blessing the stone bench. That is stone bench here meaning Haragallu. Why they are blessing that? Why? Here under the banyan tree there was a Haragallu. Why all the people are blessing that? Here it was a place to rest, isn't it? It was a place to rest. Here the villagers, the travelers and the people who are coming to play, all are sitting and taking rest. So that's why all the people are blessing. Okay. Here, after all, it was a stone bench. After all, it was a stone bench. ഒരു കല്ലാണ്. ആ കല്ലിനെ എല്ലാവരും ഇത്രയും അനുഗ്രഹിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ മഹത്വം? Do you think like that? Here, it was my grandfather who told me, child, a Haragallu is essential in any journey. Whenever we went to some journey, we used to take rest, isn't it? So at that time, we want a place to sit there. At that time, if there is any place, we blessed that. Oh, ഇവിടെ ഒരു സ്ഥലം ഉണ്ടായിട്ട് നന്നായി നമുക്ക് ഇരിക്കാനും റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കാനും ഒന്ന് ഇരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിക്കും നമ്മളപ്പോൾ. കുറേ നേരമൊക്കെ നടന്ന് നമ്മൾ പല സ്ഥലവും കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കുറേ നേരം നമ്മൾ കളിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് അവിടെ ഇരിക്കാൻ നമുക്ക് തോന്നിക്കും. So that is the resting place. So here, which one is the resting place? Haragallu is the resting place. So that's why the travelers and villagers are blessing the stone bench. Child, a Haragallu is essential in any journey. എല്ലാ ജേർണിക്കും ഇത് വളരെ അത്യാവശ്യമാണ് എന്നവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. Haragallu is very important. We all carry our burdens according to our situations and capacities. We all carry our burdens according to our situations and capacities. നമ്മുടെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ എങ്ങനെയാണോ അതിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് നമ്മളുടെ കപ്പാസിറ്റിക്ക് എങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണോ അതിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ടാവും നമ്മളുടെ ബേർഡൻസ് നമ്മളിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾക്ക് പ്രയാസങ്ങളുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ what will you do? We have any difficulties, you have any troubles, what will you do? Here we will share our problems, isn't it? Here we carry our burdens according to our situation. നമ്മുടെ സിറ്റുവേഷനെ അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ കപ്പാസിറ്റിക്ക് അനുസരിച്ചിട്ടാവും നമുക്ക് ബേർഡൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. But every once in a while we need to stop, put down that burden and rest. കൂടുതൽ ഭാരമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് വേഗം തന്നെ നമ്മൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും, ടയേർഡ് ആവും. If we have heavy burden, we will have what? We will have tiredness. At that time, we want to sit in some places and we want to take rest, isn't it? So, here it was according to the burden. That's given here. We will take rest according to our burden. നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഭാരം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും, നമുക്ക് വേഗം തന്നെ റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കേണ്ടി വരും. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വേഗം ആ ബേർഡൻ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്ത് ഇറക്കി വെച്ചുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. Like that also here the grandfather and Horagallu, they seem to be one. Here the people are exchanging their troubles to grandfather, and here they are keeping their sorrows. They are keeping their troubles to whom? To grandfather. Like that they are keeping the burden to where? Where they are keeping the burden? On the stone bench. Can you understand? ഇത് രണ്ടും എന്താണ്, കമ്പയർ ചെയ്താണ് പറയുന്നത്. എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദറും ഇവിടെ എന്താണ് another one here Horagallu. Here how they are comparing that? Here to grandfather they are exchanging their troubles. They are sharing their troubles. They are sharing their burdens. Like that here the two Horagallu they are keeping their burdens. കേട്ടോ? അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് ഫാദറിനെയും ആരെയും ഹൊരഗലിനെയും ഒരുപോലെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. But every once in a while we need to stop, put down that burden and take rest. So according to the situation and capacities we are removing the burden to where? To the stone bench, and they are taking rest. Here only then can we be refreshed enough to pick up the load once more. After that we want refreshment. കുറച്ച് നേരം റെസ്റ്റ് എടുക്കണം. What they are doing? They are drinking the water, that is the cool water from the earthen pot, and after that they are taking rest on the stone bench. After that they are moving from that place with, again they are keeping the burdens on the head and they are removing from the place. Okay. Here, but every once in a while we need to stop, put down that burden and rest. Only then can we be refreshed enough to pick up the load once more. They are keeping the burden once more after that, after getting refreshment. The Horagallu gives everyone that opportunity to do so. So for each and every person, Horagallu is giving chance to take rest. Isn't it? Here the travelers to the villages and to the people who are playing there, they are taking rest under the banyan tree. They are sitting on the stone bench and they are taking rest. After that they are removing from that place. It helps people regain their strength. Regain their strength. Here after resting period, what they are getting? They are strength. They are regaining. They are getting the strength again. Okay. Here next paragraph is about another person. Let me see what's happening. So here in Sudhamurthi's life, the first person, who is that first person? Grandfather. She was remembering about the grandfather, and another one, who is that? Horagallu. Here There was an incident in her life after some period. Here, after some period in Sudhamurti's life, another person, when she saw another person, she was remembering again the Haragallu. Okay, so here Sudhamurti was remembering grandfather, and here who is that another person here is Ratna. These two persons are like Haragallu. Okay, here these two persons, grandfather and Ratna, they are like Haragallu. Let me see about Ratna. Later on in life, I got to see something that reminded me of that stone bench once again. I was working in Bombay. One of my colleagues, Ratna, was a senior clerk, middle-aged and always smiling. She had done her graduation and been working in the company for 25 years. She went about her repetitive, mundane work with an infectious cheerfulness. Here, later on in life, later in the life of Sudhamurti, whom she was seeing, that is the Ratna. Okay, Ratna is the person, that is the colleague. Here, later on in life, I got to see something that reminded me of the stone bench. When she saw Ratna, she was reminded of the person that is grandfather, another one, Haragallu. Here I was working in Bombay. Here when Sudhamurti was working in Bombay, here one of my colleagues, Ratna, was a senior clerk. Here, who is that person? Ratna, one of her colleagues, was a senior clerk, middle-aged and always smiling. She was always smiling. And she was a senior clerk and middle-aged person. Here she had done her graduation and been working in the company for nearly 25 years. So here 24 years she was working in that company. She went about her repetitive mundane work with an infectious cheerfulness. She was very happy. She was very cheerful to do her work. Always she was smiling. Whatever things was happening to her, she was always smiled to others. Here, every day during the lunch hour, she would sit with some person in one of the rooms and they would have long chat. I would often wonder what they talked about. One day, I finally asked Ratna, what do you talk with each person for a whole lunch hour? Let me see about that paragraph. Here, every day during the lunch hour. So, every day in the lunch time. Here, what they are doing, Ratna and other colleagues, they are eating food and after that they are exchanging their views. They are sharing their burdens. Here at that time, she would sit with some person in one of the room and they would have long chat. They are sitting in one room and they are chatting their problems. Here, I would often wonder what they talked about. Here, Sudhamurti was thinking. Here, here Ratna was talking to number of person, how she was handling those person like that. She was thinking. Here, I would often wonder what they talked about. Here, she was thinking what she was talking to those person. One day I finally asked her, she was asking to Sudhamurti, Ratna, what do you talk with each person for the whole lunch hour? For the whole lunch hour, what you are speaking to others? what they are telling to you. Like that, she was asking to Ratna. What may Ratna tell to Sudhamurthy? Let me see in the next class. Okay, let me wind up here. Thank you.